Truck driving is one of the most dangerous jobs around. Let's revisit how to make it a bit safer. Truck driving can be a physically demanding job that requires long hours of sitting and frequent loading and unloading of cargo. This puts you at risk of injury, which can be not only painful but also financially damaging if you're unable to work. Let's discuss some tips on how you can prevent injuries while working in and around your truck. Practice proper lifting technique. Lifting heavy cargo, tarps, or load securement devices can be challenging and puts a lot of stress on your back muscles. It's important to use proper lifting techniques to avoid back injuries. Make sure to bend your knees and lift with your legs, not your back. Wear proper footwear. You're often required to walk around on different surfaces such as uneven pavement, gravel, or wet surfaces. This can cause slips, trips, and falls, which are very common injuries. Getting into and out of the truck cab can be especially dangerous. To prevent slips, trips, and falls, wear slip-resistant shoes or boots with good traction. Also, make sure your footwear is comfortable and fits properly to avoid blisters and foot pain. Wearing compression socks while driving can also help improve circulation in your legs and feet. Always be sure to use at least 3 points of contact when entering or leaving your truck cab. Please don't ever jump off of the truck's catwalk or your trailer. And be sure to pay extra attention in rainy, icy, or snowy weather. Stretch before and after driving. Sitting for long periods can lead to stiffness and pain in your muscles and joints. To prevent this, it's important to stretch before and after driving. Stretching can help increase blood flow to your muscles and reduce the risk of injury. Focus on stretching your neck, shoulders, back, hips, and legs. Use proper posture. Maintaining good posture is essential when driving a truck. Poor posture can lead to back pain, neck pain, and other health problems. Adjust your seat so that your back is straight, and your feet can reach the pedals comfortably. Use a lumbar support cushion if necessary to help maintain proper posture and reduce strain on your lower back. Keep your truck clean and organized. Keeping your truck clean and organized can help prevent injuries. Cluttered spaces can be dangerous and increase the risk of tripping and falling. Make sure to clean up spills immediately and secure cargo well. Also, make sure your truck is well maintained to prevent accidents caused by equipment failure. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help prevent fatigue and reduce the risk of injury. When driving long distances, it's important to take a break every few hours or so to stretch your legs and rest your eyes. This can help you stay alert and focused on the road, reducing the risk of accidents. Lift cargo with assistance. Lifting heavy cargo alone can be dangerous and can cause serious injury. If the cargo is too heavy, ask for assistance from another person or use equipment such as a forklift or pallet jack to move the load. This will help reduce the risk of injury and ensure that the cargo is moved safely and efficiently. Truck driving can be a physically demanding job, but with the right precautions, injuries can be prevented. By following the tips above, you can reduce the risk of injury and stay healthy and safe on the job. Remember to always prioritize your safety and well-being while on the road.